How to use AutoDS for dropshipping. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to integrate the AutoDS platform for your Shopify store and start dropshipping from today. The process is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. Then you are going to sign in into your account or your admin dashboard, as you can see here. Now, once you are on the admin dashboard, what are we going to do is to click on the search bar at the top and type in AutoDS. And normally you are going to see this app here pop in. So here, if you do not see it, click on here, search in Shopify App Store. It will show you all the apps that are related to that keyword. So basically, you are going to get the most or best match for that keyword, which is going to be this DS. We're going to click on it. Basically, for those who doesn't know what is the AutoDS, it is going to be a drop shipping platform and also POD or print on demand platform. So you are going to get here a lot of products from different suppliers such as AliExpress, Taobao, and I think 1688. These are going to be the Chinese or number one Chinese suppliers, and also Alibaba. I think that I have forgot to mention that. So you are going to get here the cheapest product or the cheapest, let's say here, price here in comparison for the competitors, and that or this platform will allow you to directly link or add the products from the platform to your shop into the Shopify store. So we are going to click on install. Once you have clicked on install, what we're going to do is to wait for the installation process. It will take here some few seconds. It will not take a lot of time from you. Then it will take you directly to this specific platform. I'm going to pin the AutoDS here to the navigation. And then we are going to see the main menu. I think that it is going to open up here the whole page. This is as I thought. So I'm going to wait here. It is going to have here all the, let's say, subscriptions in here. So I have problem with my platform right there. I'm going to create another account. So basically, when it is the first time that you are going to have an account within AutoDS, you are going to select here the selling channel that you are going to work with. For example, here we have tons. We have Facebook Marketplace or Facebook, let's say, Shop, Wix stores, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, TikTok Shop, and etc. So I'm going to select here my Shopify store. Basically, it is not completely free to use AutoDS. You need to pay monthly fees or monthly subscriptions, and these are going to be like these plans. So I'm going to start now for the, as you can see, $0.99. So we are going to get the free trial. I'm going to here the set up the free trial. So we are going to put our Visa card and information, and then we are going to get the access to the famous platform. So here I have paid my dues, and now what are we going to do is to check up the tutorial, or we're going to select one of the steps to connect our Shopify store. So we have here the choice. If you have a Shopify store, you are going to connect it directly to AutoDS. Or you can go ahead and use the free AI, as you can see here, to generate a pre-built Shopify store. Or if you do not have a Shopify store, you are going to select this and create a new one. So basically we have a Shopify store. So I'm going to go with I have one, click on continue. Then we are going to open the app again. It will take a little bit of time, but it is going to be simple. So here it is going to read that we have already connected our Shopify store. It will take us again to another AutoDS or the other account or the new account, I should say. So we are going to hear the access. I'm going to switch the account because it's not going to be the same. Here we are going to set up the thing. So I'm going to connect my account. So it is going to read the old account that I've had. So I'm going to here let that slide, and then we are going to open the account again. So basically here, the problem is within the previous account. So I'm going to use the AI to generate a pre-built Shopify store. We're going to select the niche. For example, here we have fashion and apparel, electronics and gadgets, home, garden, sport, fitness, and etc. So I'm going to select, for example, this. I'm going to click on next. Then the store is going to be created by the AI. It will not take a lot of time from you, but it's going to be okay. So you are going to get here the email and also the password and the store name. So we are going to open up the Shopify here. You need to complete the subscription setup into your Shopify store, and then you are going to set up everything from then. So I'm going to see here the store. I'm going to head over my active one. So as you can see, after we have successfully connected our store, we are going to get this dashboard. And from this dashboard, you are going to see everything. We have the marketplace, we have the hand-picked products, and we have basically everything. So what is the purpose of having an account and use this platform? Obviously, it is dropshipping and also print on demand if you are going to need that. So, what is going to be here the features or the benefits of using it? Here, basically, this is a common question, and the response is going to be having here multiple suppliers, sources, or multiple, let's say here, sources. So you're going to get here not the cheapest prices, but you're going to get a lot of elements. Maybe some of these elements are not going to be found on AliExpress and also on Temu or something else or somewhere else. So we are going to find them already here, and the fulfillment is going to be here fully automated by AutoDS team. So you are going to only receive the orders, and the orders are going to be here synchronized to this specific area on the AutoDS. As you can see here, we have the orders, and these orders are going to be, let's say here, auto order or auto fulfilled. So let's head over the marketplace. So you are going to see here the ships. So for example, you are going to ship to, for example, here to all other regions. So you are going to, I'm not going to say that it is internationally because we have only some few countries. We have the United States, the UK, Germany, France, Italy, Australia, Canada, and Spain. So the currency is going to be here also for these regions that you have. The ships from, so we are going to here select the warehouses. So we have here multiple warehouses. So you are going to select the, let's say the nearest warehouses to the specific region. And that is going to limit the, or the ships to is going to limit the regions that you are going to set up. So basically when someone or a client set up, for example, here Germany, or you have set up Germany's ships too, and the let's say the client is from France, it is not going to get that product. So you are going to select here from all, and then you're going to select the supplier. For example, we have AliExpress, AutoDS suppliers, Amazon, DHgate, Kmart, Wish, Redbubble, and thousands, not thousands, but you're going to see here a lot. That what I mean by thousands. Then you're going to see the category of the products. For example, you're going to see toys and hobbies, home and garden, furnitures, outdoors, etc. So you can go ahead and select here from any type or category of products, and then you're going simply to select the products. So here we have set up all the regions, and then you're going basically to set it up. Now, for example, if I choose this, let's say here, it is not a cat litter box, this is a speaker, or it is going to be an alarm. So basically let's say that we are going to choose this. The titles are not matching, I can notice that, but I think that it is going to be matchable whenever you are going to click on it. It is going to be a matter of, let's say here, clicks and also a refresh of the page. So you're going to see here the item cost. It is going to be a little bit here costly, but it is going to be an e-case. That means that it is going to have a screen, and that screen is going to be connected, and you can go ahead and, let's say, change the pictures that are going to be appearing. So you're going to get an app, and that app is going to control that right there screen. So you're going to select the model of the let's say here the phone, and then you're going simply to click on ships or see the shipping info, and then you're going to see some product information, description, etc. Then you're going to click on import to drafts, and then when you have clicked on drafts, you're going to click on here. So you're going to see the drafts that you have into your account, and these drafts are going to be the products that you're going to import into the products section. So here it is going to take a few minutes to a draft for the draft loads. So we are going to not wait for it, but in the meanwhile, we are going to here explore other products and see how we can add them. So we are going basically here to see the products, and then you're going to see in it. For the winning products or the hand-picked products, you are going basically to here buy the hub add-on. As you can see, we are not going to see all the winning products, but it is going to be something that it is going to be an add-on, and these add-ons are going to be here used for the competitor or for the competition, let's say, purpose. So you can go ahead not only and add a product to dropship, but you can compare the product to the different stores. So for the handpicked products, you're going to get a high valued or high rated products depending on the market. So if that product or any products are going to be viral, not that viral, but they are going to get it their job done by getting sold. So you're going to see that and also see the potential profits, the let's say here the number of orders, the competition, the engagement, and the saturation in the market. For the ad spy, as you can see, it is going to be also a find and hop add-on, and that is going to let you explore the social media such as Facebook, ad library, Instagram, and also TikTok. So you're going to see the viral products that are going to run or running ads onto there, or they are going to have a UGC videos, which is going to be user generated content for some specific products, and these products are going to be very popular. So you are going to import those products and get some creatives idea on how we can create them, and then you're going to publish them into your store. And for the trending products, it is going also to be the same thing. So you're not going to have here to explore all the marketplace and add some random stuff or random products from here, but you can get here a little hand or support from the three, let's say here, add-on features. So for the print on demand, it is going to be the same as Printify if you, or Printful if you know these platforms. These or those platforms that I have mentioned that are going to be here the kings of print on demand. So here you're going to get something or some clothing, accessories, and you're going to print, for example, something, a logo, or let's say here promotional banner or an illustration or art into these type of apparel or these type of let's say here clothings, and then you are going to add them into your store. So the dashboard is going to be something that is going to store all the statistics of your selling revenues and products added, and also the profits for the orders and products. You're going to see them all in here. So you are going to see all the products that you have or that are imported. So you are going to see here some products that have been added to your store. Here I don't know why, but I have tons of products that has been added into my store. So they are here, so they have been imported, so you can go ahead and check them into your store. and I'm not going to do that here because it is not going to be here. But here, these are going to be uploaded products that I think the platform saw them that are, let's say, useful or going to be selling like a lot. But here the problem with the inventory are going to be here. So we have most of them are going to have zero. So this is something to fix. Now for the customer services or support, they have here a very good customer service. I have tested them quite a few times and they respond very quickly. So you're not going to have here a problem with the integration or a problem with the AutoDS. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.